Alright guys, so what's poppin'? It's your boy XO, and in this video I will show you guys a really simple, a really simple forex scalping strategy that you can use to grow a very small account. And I'm talking about accounts like $100 to $1,000 or $200 to $2,000. In like, if you can do this correctly, like with decent risk management and enough trading opportunities, you can actually take $200, $100 to $2,000, $1,000 in less than 7 or even 3 days if you know how to trade and if you know what you're doing. So let's get into this video. Forex scalping strategy to grow a small account. So real quick, if you want to trade with me live every single day, click the link in the description to join my free VIP Telegram group. And also, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe. It's free. You can always unsubscribe. And don't forget to like and share this video to have this video rank in the YouTube algorithm. Alright guys, so this strategy is going to be very simple. And let me just clear the chart and get everything fixed. Alright guys, so this is a plain chart. As you can see, it's plain. There's nothing on the chart. So let's get so the first indicator we'll be needing is the moving average. As you can see at this point, moving average. So you click on it, and the next indicator is going to be the RSI, the relative strength index, and that's it. So this will be the two indicators we'll be needing. So let's set things up. So for the moving average, we will need to use a 50 period moving average line, and yeah, let's use black. Alright, so as you can see at this point, the MA is set and the RSI is set. So for this RSI to be completely set, we have to bring in this let me use this horizontal line and plot it at the middle of the RSI on the 50 zone. So this is too thick. Alright, so if you look at this point, you see that this is the 50 zone of the RSI. This is the 50. So this is very important. You have to put this line, this red line, on the 50 to split the RSI into two. So guys, this strategy, this forex scalping strategy, is very important that you understand how it works. Let me get into this strategy. So okay, so you're looking for a break of the 50 period moving average line, and not just a break, you're waiting for two more candlesticks to form. So at this point, we can see a break of the moving average line, of the 50 period moving average line. All right, so after this break, we need to see two more bullish candlesticks. So a break and two candlesticks, and we hop in the trade. So at this point, you can see there's a break and there's a two bullish candlestick. Then this is going to be our entry. So before we get into this trade, I know that you guys, since the start of this video, you've been wondering, how do we place our stops and targets? So yeah, XO is to the rescue. So let's look for this indicator called the ATR, which stands for the average true range. So as you can see, the average true range on our charts, and this is going to help us set our stops and targets. So what is the ATR of this candlestick? Like I said, a break followed by two bullish candlestick. So before we get into the trade, we have to know the ATR of this candlestick, which is 47. So 47 times 2, so it means that we're using the 2 times the value of the ATR. You can use the 1.5 if you want to, but for this example, guys, I'm using the 2 times the ATR. So 94 pip is going to be our stop. So as you can see, 94 pip stop. So guys, like in all my videos, once the price achieves a 1-to-1, move your stops to break even, or you can take a fixed stop if you want to at a 1 to 1.5. Guys, this is a scalping strategy, so a 1 to 1.5 is absolutely beautiful for a profit target because it's a scalping strategy. I really don't recommend trading it like a normal strategy. This is a scalping strategy. So at this point, let's look for a new entry. So at this point, you can see a break followed by two bearish candlesticks. So what is the ATR of this candlestick? So the ATR is 49. So So 96 pip stop, 1 to 1, sorry, 1 to 1.5, and let's check it out. So alright, so at this trade, we lost this trade at this point. So you can see we clearly lost this trade. So let's look for a new entry. So a break and 1-2 candlestick move. The ATR of this candlestick is 34. For a sell, 68 pip stop and a 1 to 1.5. Alright, so you see we won this trade, we lost this one, and won this one. So a 2/1, so 2 wins and 1 loss. And let's check this out. So you can see a break, 1 2. The ATR of this candlestick is 32. 32 times 2 is 64. So it's 64 pip for a buy at this point. So and a 1 to 1.5, and you can see that was a beautiful win. So 3 wins, 1 loss. Let's just get one more example. So a break, no 2 candlesticks. This is it. This is not a valid signal, so let's just pass this. A break, 1 candlestick. A break, 1 candlestick. A break, 1 2 candlestick. Then what's the ATR of this candlestick? 55 times 2 is 110. So 110 for a 10 pip stop at this point. 100, sorry, I meant to say 110 pip stop. Yeah, I was correct. So for a 1 to 1.5, so you can see this trade was obviously a beautiful win. So at this point we won this trade. So 1 win, 2 wins, I meant to say 3 wins and 4 wins. So 4 wins and 1 loss. Guys, this strategy is really beautiful. So I hope you guys got the grasp of this strategy. This strategy is really easy to understand and very effective if you actually trade it with risk management. Guys, this strategy works 100% of the time. So trade this with risk management, and I am not a financial advisor, guys. Trade at your own risk. This strategy works for me, might not work for you. So I'm just sharing what I know, guys. So trade this at your own risk. Once you miss a trading opportunity, just wait for the next one and don't rush into a trade. So this has been my best forex scalping strategy to grow a small account, like $100, $200 to $1,000 or $2,000 in less than 3 days. So guys, as you can see, we took over 5 trades. So guys, you can see that we took a lot of trades at this point. So you can go, guys, you can go down to the 5-minute time frame to get even more entry setups, but I like to use the 15-minute time frame. I'm used to using the 15-minute time frame on this trading strategy. So this is a quick scalping strategy to grow a small account in the forex market. Leave a comment. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Leave a comment on what you want to see next, and I'll try my best to make that video. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay XO.